y'all, we are back here with another video, and I have my baby Riley Grace. Say hey, Riley.
Hey Riley.
Today, guys, we'll be customizing a jean jacket for Riley Grace. So guys, I already have this sketched out, so let's get to painting. Let's see what those colors do.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
So guys, it is time to reveal this jacket. So let's go reveal it.
Do just what you want. You're the one I try.
Pretty jacket. Look at that, Riley. This is really nice. Look at what Rock Rock did. And you have Minnie Mouse. And what is that?
Bo.
Bo? And whose name is that? Riley. This is so nice, Riley.
So guys, we're gonna end this video. Riley, come here.
Say hey.
Say like, comment, and subscribe.
Say subscribe to my uncle channel.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Say like
That.
and comment.
Outside. Outside.
Well, alright guys, we're gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, come back for another video, all that, and peace.